Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Lonsdale LD003 White Sneaker Edition. Now Lonsdale is a renowned British boxing brand that was established in the 1960s, and the sneaker launch of Lonsdale quickly became popular and is definitely your go-to sneaker for comfort, durability, as well as a sleek design. So this is the LD003 edition and is a very smart, unique shoe with a unique design to it. There are many colors available in this specific model of shoes. So this is the white edition of the shoe that we're doing. As you can see, this is the LD003 Lonsdales. This is what it looks like. Very different, very unique, as I've said, guys. The design to it does not copy any other brand, but it's enforced and incorporated into its own unique, sleek design. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So these are the sneakers, guys. Has a very good weight to it. It's not light at all. You can see around it you have the cupped stitching. There is no branding or logo around the sneaker or at the back. There's a Lonsdale black badge in the front of the laces, which is also very iconic. On the tongue of the shoe is your British Lonsdale logo. On the inside it's stamped Lonsdale. Underneath is a very unusual sole, guys. It's made for comfort, as I've said, and those small circles underneath comfort your feet. You can see the soles of it are very unique, unlike any other design of sneakers. Made to perfection. A spiked rigid effect at the back and the front of the soles. It has a leather fabric, white leather fabric look to it. And as I've said, it comes in many different colors. You can see the line in the center of the shoe on both sides running across the spiked front look and the spiked back sole look. On the right hand side is your Lonsdale logo that stands out. It has 6 lace studs. There's your black Lonsdale lace logo. And I'm going to remove the top of the lace so you guys can see the tongue logo properly. That is stitched on there. A very comfortable look and feel to it. At the back you have your little tongue there to keep it intact into your pants. On the inside you have a Lonsdale logo on the tag. This is a very elegant shoes, guys, very comfortable. I would definitely recommend you buying this Lonsdale edition. Give it a try, you won't regret it. As I've said, on the inside of the shoe it's stamped Lonsdale. And the spiked soles in the front and back really make it stand out, as there aren't many shoes with that design, or hardly ever that I've seen. Look at the perfect stitching at the back and the front of it. It has a very large toe cap in the front. Definitely an elegant shoe.